These how to 1 minute will show you how to fix error too many redirects on WordPress. To solve these error, follow these easy steps. First of all, log into your hosting cPanel, and here you have to open your file manager. Once you are in your file manager, open public_HTML file, and here scroll down and search for wp-config.php file. Select this file and click on edit. Once you are in editor, after this PHP, give some enter, and here you have to paste this code, and you will get this code in this video description below. Here you have to replace this URL using your website URL. So I'm going to copy my website URL and pasting it here. And make sure if your domain has SSL certificate installed, then enter here is, and I'll click on save changes, and after quickly doing it, check the error. And the third solution is again open public_HTML file and click on settings and check show hidden files, save, and here search for .htaccess. Now right click on this file and click on rename and enter here -old type and click on rename file, and now click on file and file name type .htaccess. Click on create new file. Now select the new .htaccess file you just created and click on edit, and here you have to paste this code, and you will get this code in this video description below. Once you pasted this code, click on save changes, and after quickly doing it, go and check the issue. And the next solution is disable faulty plugin to solve redirect issue. To find out the exact faulty plugin, again here open this wp-content folder, and here you will get this plugins folder. Right click on it and click on rename, and write here -old and click on rename file, and after changing your plugin folder name, all of your WordPress installed and activated plugin will be deactivated. Now again rename the plugin, remove -old and rename it. Now go to your WordPress dashboard and come to this plugin section, and here you will see all of your plugins have been deactivated. Now you have to activate all plugins one by one. So activate a plugin. Once the plugin activate, go to your WordPress and reload your site and check the error. That's how you will be able to find out the actual faulty plugin. Once you got the faulty plugin, you have to delete the plugin from your WordPress. And the next solution is try to clear the browsing data and cookies. To do that, open your browser and click on this three dot and click on history and click on clear browsing data, and here make sure to select cookies and other site data, download history, browsing history, time range, select all time, and click on clear data. Once done, check the error. And the next solution is clear the WordPress server cache. To do that, again log into your cPanel and click on this search tools box and type here cache, and click on Lightspeed Web Cache Manager, and here scroll down and click on flush all. Okay, and it will clear all your WordPress website cache files. And after quickly doing it, check the error. So follow these all steps to fix error too many redirects issue on WordPress. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to unmine it. See you in the next video.